Did you know that a single degree of variation in crude oil quality can impact trading values by millions of dollars? Imagine mastering the precise science that determines global energy economics. Organizations in the oil trading industry face critical challenges in accurately evaluating crude oil quality, managing complex risk assessments, and making split-second trading decisions. Companies struggle with sophisticated analytical requirements, technological complexities, and the need for absolute precision in sampling and testing methodologies. The financial stakes are enormous, with even minor evaluation errors potentially resulting in significant economic losses. Individual professionals encounter substantial barriers in developing the intricate technical skills required for comprehensive crude oil analysis. They must navigate complex scientific protocols, understand advanced chemical testing methodologies, and integrate technical knowledge with strategic trading insights. Teams find themselves overwhelmed by the sophisticated intersection of chemistry, economics, and trading strategies. This certification program delivers an intensive, comprehensive approach to crude oil sampling, testing, and evaluation. Participants will gain advanced technical skills in analytical methodologies, quality assessment techniques, sophisticated testing protocols, and strategic trading insights. The course provides hands-on training that bridges scientific precision with economic understanding, preparing professionals for the most demanding analytical environments. Organizations can expect transformative outcomes, including enhanced analytical capabilities, improved trading accuracy, and more sophisticated risk management strategies. Participants will develop advanced skills in chemical analysis, quality assessment, trading evaluation, and strategic decision-making. The program creates highly specialized professionals who can transform complex scientific data into strategic trading advantages. Imagine being the expert who translates scientific precision into economic opportunity. Imagine having the technical expertise to make million-dollar trading decisions with absolute confidence. Don't let complexity hold you back from this critical career path. Enroll now and become a certified crude oil trading analyst. Your journey to professional excellence starts here. Seize this opportunity to become an indispensable energy trading professional.